Here we are for another Onnit Trial. The journey to finding ourselves and the edge of where we currently reside has new starting points all along the way. While we may want to achieve hero or even legend status, these new beginnings are the doors to getting there. And today's trial is one of the keys. Apprentice level, bodyweight, triangle plank tap. Laying on the ground, you're gonna bring elbows forward of your shoulders, hands in, fingers touching, creating a triangle. Knees are on the ground, shoulder width apart. Then you're gonna pull through the ground. Pull, 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 and then press through your elbows, taking your body off of the ground, including your thighs. Tuck that pelvis under, and then alternatingly reach. One hand tapping a 2-inch high object, one hand width away from your fingers. 3 keys to doing this effectively are: press shoulders away from the ears as you pull through the ground. Tuck the pelvis under to engage the core, no saggy belly. Press through knees lightly as you lift the hand to keep hips square. Do as many reps as possible inside 30 seconds. Tag us in your IG reel or story, #Onnit Trials, and get closer to unlocking the core of who you are.